This is a fully customised cleaning tote and it's my entry into the Sumo's Projects Scrapwood Challenge 2020. Let's go make something and support all the other makers who are also involved. G'day folks, welcome to Sumo's This is a 3-minute challenge. What am I doing talking? G'day and welcome to all the wonderful makers from all around the world who are participating in this Sumo's Projects 2020 Scrapwood Challenge video. So, what am I making? I've got a tote which I use for my employment and it's to home all my cleaning products and my thermos and all other type of miscellaneous products. So I've got some melamine here. This was out of an old cupboard. I'm ripping that down, cutting it to bits, shredding it and then applying a bit of glue, and then I'm customising the fit of this as I go. I initially proposed this challenge. I said use any scrap wood you can and use a type of joinery that suits you. So I'm basically setting things into place here and then going and marking and cutting once again. The purpose of this is this tote is just useless without any dividers in it. So practically by doing this, like adding a little bit of area for pens and biros and pencils, just gives it a new dimension for storage, which things you have to hunt around for.
Time to bring a big scrapwood gun, 4mm. Okay.
Right, so this 3 minutes is proving to be quite tough. A little bit of scrap there, clean the edges up. That's going to be a paper towel holder, believe it or not. We'll mark that out. We'll cut a bit of a groove out on the bandsaw. Looking good, looking good. Look out, table's dirty. Better give it a clean. There we go. All right, up and running again and getting shape into things. Here's a little bit of fine woodworking sumo style. Have a look at this jig. I haven't got a miter thing for the router table, so I improvise and put a door handle and join that onto a backer piece. Now cutting the tape. Two-sided tape is going to hold this into place nicely. I'll tell you one thing, if I don't get anywhere in my current occupation, I'm going to try out to be a race caller. I might get somewhere there. I don't think so, but look at this. Paper towel fits, everything fits. I'm wrapped, it's working. Done! Watching and watch all the other participants' videos. Like, subscribe, share. See you later. Hooroo!